Now we will show you how to separate the LCD broken screen from the Note 2 phone. Cable. Hold the heat to 80 degrees and click this button, that is controls the vacuum pump. And click this button is for you to roll the steel one, and use your hands to push it in, but slowly. You have to wash out the cable, do not touch it. By the second round or the third round, you can make it a little quicker. For the first round, it is better to be slow. This is for all sensing Note 2 LCD. Clockwise direction and pull it out immediately. Do not just pull it out. Like this direction, it will do protection-free LCD. See? Now it has been removed. And for especially for the sensing LCD, it is better to use your fingertips to remove the glue, because if you use that glue removal machine, it will do damage to your polarizer film. But if under the time, if you think that the polarizer film is better to replace, then you can use that machine to remove both the polarizer film and the glue together. But if you use your fingertips to remove the glue, that will be better for your polarizer film.
又没电。
假电。这个不是那个除掉的，这个是
除得掉。
那地方之前就有，
都可以擦得干干净的。
又开始调这个了，你可以暂停了。录不录？录的话我就说，不录的话就不用说。
真录啊！
真录说。Because last time we just do iPhone 5, so we have to make a realignment for the Note 2. the same process. Use another polarizer film to cover the rest holes. 可以啊，这样会不会太下了？
差不多，再下了一点。再用螺丝调位置。
可以，这个位置可以。Make sure that the polarizer film, the OC film is in the middle of the roller. And besides these two measurements, you can also adjust this part. Lose it. And put it. Oh yeah. This part can be removed as well. You can make a little adjustment. It can adjust from the left to right.靠这个边边上的感觉还是往这边调一点点。你还在录吗？
在呀。没擦干净。这种是胶要用力擦它才掉。
See, no bubbles, 是吧？
可以。
And during this process, you have to notice that the left 4 fingers here just leave this handle and the strings on your thumb on this roller. And after you put it on the right place, then use your right hand to pull it to the right side, and do it very quickly. Okay. Put it on the mold. Use a new glass. Use the tape sticker.
按住屏，不能按胶的位置侧起来。
少按一点，按这边。哦。 Put the glass on here. And in this process, you have to make sure that after you put the glass on the LCD, do not press it. Just put it on the LCD will be okay, and then use this hand to lift it. Because if you press the screen together with the glass or together with the LCD, there will be remain many dead bubbles. And put on the OCA back laminator and use this hand to click that button, the button on the backward, and then click this button. Yeah.
没电了，没开。
哎呀。 Release your hand after you see that the vacuum pump is start to moving. And for 15 seconds, it will bounce automatically. And this machine also fit for the tablets under 16 inch as well. And we have a smaller one which is just fit for the phones under 7 inch. Okay. See here, there is no bubbles in the middle. That means the result is okay. And you can see the bubbles like this direction, and all the bubbles just like colorful. That means it is very easily to removed by the autoclave bubble remover. And then we put it here. One.
我来。
松两圈啊。 And for the mini autoclave bubble removal machine, each time you can put around 100 to 150. So you can finish your previous steps for one day and then put together. Just get the screens stuck together will be okay. And in this way, it will save you much more time. Please make sure that these 3 screws are tight enough. And all this, just make it at 15 minutes will be okay. 15. So, 快没电了。 See here, there is no bubbles at all. 清理一下，完了不给我。
贴的非常漂亮，现在。
哎呀，
很漂亮啊。
Yeah, no bubbles at all. Okay. 关这按这个是不是？
对。